A lot of times you wonder, how long can I drive my car? How far can I drive my car? How many miles can I get on my vehicle? Well, that beautiful red Frontier you see behind me has been driven 1,000,000 miles.
Tonight, we're here to celebrate the hardest working, best-selling truck in the Nissan history, Frontier. And to begin the celebration, we start here on my right-hand side with this 2007 Frontier. This truck looks great for a 12-year-old truck. It looks even better when you consider the mileage. Okay, to be exact, 1,000,000 miles. It's pretty cool. 1,000,000 miles in a truck. So those are not just any miles. These are very hard-working Chicago miles. Winter miles, strong miles. So the truck owner, Mr. Brian Murphy, is here with us tonight. Brian? Tonight, as a thank you for the devotion, enthusiasm for your 1,000,000-mile Frontier, we're going to give you an image. To be exact, we're going to give you a 3.8-liter direct injection V6 wrapped around the 2020 Frontier. We won't get used to the power windows and the power doors. And let us know what you think also about the new engine, the new transmission. I think you're gonna like it. The 2020 Frontier will be available at the beginning of this spring with a simplified lineup. 2 versions of King Cab, 3 versions of Crew Cab, 4x2 and 4x4. So we're going to have, unfortunately, we're going to have to wait a few months. It's not ready yet for you. But soon he will be here. So with that, I want to welcome you to stage. Thank you so much for your attention. Here's the